Have you ever wondered what happens when you roll up history with a dash of deliciousness? Well, today on Foodstorian, we're diving into the captivating tale of Mici, those Romanian grilled minced meat rolls that are more than just a mouthful of flavor. But before we unwrap this savory story, hit that subscribe button and join the Foodstorian family. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these gastronomic journeys through time. Picture this. Early 20th century Romania, a time of culinary innovation. In the heart of bustling markets and narrow alleys, the tale of Mici was born. Legend has it that a group of butchers, aiming to create a culinary masterpiece, gathered in secret to concoct the perfect blend of meats and spices. The recipe, passed down through generations, is whispered only among the chosen few, adding an air of mystery to these meaty delights. These butchers were like the culinary wizards of their time, crafting a dish that would soon become a national treasure. And so the journey of Mici began, a journey that would intertwine with the rich tapestry of Romanian history. Now let's talk spices. The secret blend includes a symphony of flavors: garlic, paprika, thyme, and other aromatic spices. It's not just minced meat. It's a carefully orchestrated flavor profile that dances on your palate. This intricate mix of spices not only infuses the meat with a burst of flavors, but also transports you to a different era with every bite. It's like taking a stroll through the spice markets of old-world Romania. What makes Mici truly spectacular is the medley of meats, typically a combination of pork, beef, and sometimes lamb, all minced to perfection. It's like a carnivore's dream come true. Grilled to perfection, these rolls boast a smoky exterior and a juicy interior that'll make your taste buds do the happy dance. Now let's talk about the Mici etiquette. Rule number 1, no fancy cutlery allowed. These bad boys are meant to be devoured with your hands, no exceptions. It's a messy affair, and that's the beauty of it. Now it's time to explore the dynamic duo that elevates these grilled wonders to new heights, the perfect pairing with mustard. Trust me, this is a match made in food heaven. Mustard, the unsung hero of this culinary symphony. Its tangy kick adds a whole new dimension to the rich, savory flavors of Mici. It's like they were destined to be together, a culinary power couple that knows how to turn up the taste. Now let's talk technique. The key is to dip, not drown. You want to complement, not overpower. The mustard isn't just a condiment, it's a co-star, enhancing the meaty goodness without stealing the spotlight. As you dip that succulent Mici into the golden pool of mustard, you're creating a flavor harmony that's a feast for your taste buds. It's a roller coaster of sensations. Smoky, savory, and a burst of tanginess that'll make your palate sing. As much as we adore these grilled delights, it's essential to acknowledge that, like any love affair, moderation is key. Let's dive into why Mici might not always be an everyday indulgence. First up, the not-so-hidden truth. Mici can be a bit on the fatty side. The combination of different meats, while delivering unparalleled flavor, also means a higher fat content. Now don't get me wrong, a bit of indulgence is fantastic, but too much might not be the best idea for our heart-healthy aspirations. In the spirit of full disclosure, it's worth noting that if you're keeping a close eye on your diet, the frequent presence of Mici on the menu might require a strategic dance with moderation. But hey, a little indulgence here and there never hurt anyone. As we navigate the culinary landscape of history, it's essential to savor the flavors responsibly. Mici might not be an everyday affair, but when you do indulge, make it a moment, a celebration of taste and tradition. In conclusion, Mici isn't just a dish. It's a journey through Romania's culinary history. That's a wrap for today's Foodstorian episode! If you enjoyed this culinary adventure, give us a thumbs up, share with your foodie friends, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty tale. Until next time, keep eating, keep exploring, and keep making history in your kitchen. Stay delicious!